Good morning, God bless you. My name is Manuel Alicea, and I'm with Alicea Financial Services. Today I'm going to do a brief video on supplement insurance policies. I've been getting a few questions on it, and I just wanted to throw some information out there to get you thinking. So first and foremost, supplement insurance is different from medical insurance. Medical insurance pays for your doctor bill. Supplement insurance pays cash directly to you. So a lot of times we're so concerned about our medical bills being paid, but we don't worry about who's going to pay us. So if you have this type of insurance coverage, it's going to pay cash directly to you in the case of any emergency. For instance, if you were ever to go into the emergency room for an accident and you were to stay from one day to the next, if you have medical insurance, that's going to pay for your doctor. But if you have supplement insurance, it's going to pay cash directly to you. Right now, we work with Combined Insurance. I believe their benefit is $800 if you stay from one day to the next in the emergency room. So, and every additional day, I believe it's $200 after that. So that's the benefit of having an accidental policy, that if God forbid anything were to happen, if you were to go on a surgery, if you had to go into the into the emergency room from one day to the next or stay there a week, you're going to be getting paid through that whole week. So when you get out of the hospital, you'll be able to pay your bills. So it's an awesome benefit. Also have a cancer policy. The cancer policy will pay up to $50,000 for a diagnosis of cancer. So nowadays, I don't know what's in the water, but it's like everyone's getting cancer, unfortunately. And so if you do have this policy and you were ever diagnosed with cancer, the insurance will pay you up to $50,000 just for the diagnosis. So even if you fight the cancer and it's out of your body, you will still receive that benefit. And also there's a benefit for every day you're in the hospital for treatment. You do get money and you do get cash for that as well. Also, we have a whole life policy, which is a life insurance, but it does build up cash value. So usually a lot of people are worried about these big insurance policies, $500,000, $250,000. That's really good, but you wanna get a whole life policy also, because this is gonna build up cash value. So God forbid you don't die in a couple of years and you do need some type of money, some type of emergency does pop up, you could actually withdraw from that money that's been built up in the whole life policy and use it for whatever you need to use it for. So those are several options. Also, anyone who does buy a whole life policy from me, they do get a will done at $99. So that's only for my clients. I will do the will for you, and it's always good to have your will done and have your insurance policy, because there's nothing better than just to give your family members an envelope and say, here, just in case if anything were to happen, everything you need is in this envelope. I know sometimes we don't want to think about those type of situations, but that's the responsible thing to do. Also, we have final expense coverage as well. If you have elderly family members that you're worried about how you're gonna cover the funeral costs if they were to expire, or if they were to be deceased, then we have those policies available. So this is just a responsibility thing. We need insurance for dentists, we need insurance for cars, and this is just making sure that you're covered all the way around. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm going to leave my number below, and also have an awesome and productive day directly from Alicea Financial Services to you.